Make sure and use MEXC. Go to the VIP link in the description. You get half price trading fees. By far, this is the best exchange there is. You got 2,000 altcoins you can trade. Leverage trading on here is cheaper than anywhere else. $20,000 in bonuses based on deposits and trading. Banging. Want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pushing towards this upper resistance level at about $38,000. So this is the type of situation where if Bitcoin is super bullish, as it seems, even though this is a rising wedge that should break to the downside, if it flips 38,000, you're going to 42,000, 44,000, and possibly higher, right? There's all this Bitcoin spot ETFs. Now the indicators say, hey, there's bearish ideas, but Bitcoin will outdo the indicators in the right market conditions. And you have to think, I mean, the SEC came out and they just said, hey, like, you guys do this, do this, do this. Like, they didn't say we're going to approve you if, but they basically alluding to the fact, why would they say do this, do this, do this if they weren't going to approve it, right? Bitcoin spot ETFs are coming, and this whole market is going to take off. Life-changing money is coming quickly. You better be prepared. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group over the last day. So we nailed like for 1,000%. We nailed MTV for 58%, 373% out of DEXTF. OBI, we nailed 186%. Anyways, 90%, 49%. Leverage group, we're killing it too. The Black Friday deal starts now and runs through Black Friday, right? You're paying $2 a day. You pay for the year. You get 3 months free. So a total of 15 months, $2 a day. It's less than $2 a day. I just had 3 people off Twitter hit me up and they want to join both the groups. We're going to run you through the bull market. We're going to run you to the top. Like, look at these gains. Like, we do this every single day. So just remember, email me, cryptobitcoinchris at gmail.com. Prices are cheaper than ever. Now, Bittrex is shutting down. Right? This is these crypto, you can't keep up with what's going on in the world as far as all the processing and data collection that has to keep up, and these exchanges are just falling off. Listen, real quick on these order books, here's how they work, right? If you're looking at the order books, these are very short term, right? These are the sell orders, the red, the sell orders, the green are the buy orders, right? Sometimes you get this sell wall, you know, right here at about 250. This is a sell wall. I'm telling you guys, if you're watching these, it's pretty much a waste of time, right? It's such short-term price movement, and they manipulate this constantly, right? They manipulate. You ever just sit there and watch on the trading screen, like they're just moving the prices around? This is what the market makers do to tighten the spread. And so they're constantly buying and selling as fast as they can to tighten the spread, and that's how they make their money. Listen, whatever you do, don't pull a Chris. Now, I signed up for Tradingview for $599 a few days ago because it was auto-built. And then today, I got the Black Friday deal. If you want to sign up for that, it's in the link in the description. Supports the channel. But then I signed up for another year at $217. Ridiculously cheap. If you are paying monthly or you're halfway through your year, I'm telling you guys right now, make the most of this. And the savings are crazy, 70% off. Right? The savings are crazy. So sign up for, this is like your toolbox. And we got 2 years of bull market. You're going to need Tradingview. You got to chart these coins. And I'll show you a bunch of coins that I've been looking at. We've called in group. We've seen success stories. And really, I want to teach you how these charts work and why you're looking at certain charts over others. And so BNT was one that we gave during a live screen share. And you see how it was moving sideways, moving sideways, moving sideways. And then it just explodes 217% and it completely sells off. Like if you were sleeping, you missed all your gains, you know, but you got to set alerts. All you do, you come down here and you can right click, add alert on horizontal trend line, and you'll get an email when it breaks out. Right. And so this person made some serious profits. LMWR is a coin that's hot. We called it in our Moonbag group, and I didn't post it because I was sleeping. But the people in the Moonbag group, which is not something you can join, it's a meeting of the minds. I have a bunch of millionaires that make millions of dollars picking the best coins. But this is just a good example on understanding that you've got that same box, right? That same box. And when it breaks out, it goes parabolic. And someone posted on November the 6th, which is right here. We didn't nail the bottom. Watch the token unlocks, but this is pushing AI narrative. It's going to bang. And the percentages were huge. Let's just pull the percentages real quick just to see what you would have got out of this. 229%. Like, the fact of the matter is, like, you are going to be sleeping during half of these coins taking off. Now, these AI picks, I told you guys, AI is very hot right now, and AI is taking off, and it's been amazing. Now, this is XVS, and it's working sideways. And again, at some point, and it could take a while, at some point, it's always better to buy down here. At some point, this thing is going to run up to $16 or $20. Rio. Okay, Rio, I want you just to understand this idea. I always say rounded bottoms pay the bills, right? Rounded bottoms pay the bills, and you've got a rounded bottom, cup and handle, and then it's broke out. Well, guess where this is going? This coin can do 20, 30, 40x, but right now we're looking for 80 cents out of Rio. Okay. Now, yes, you want to get it on a pullback, right? It's hard to say, hey, buy the top with the green candle, right? Or if it flags, a lot of times you can zoom in, it'll flag, and then it'll break out from there and just continue higher, right? Bitcoin dominance is trying to reverse. This is not good for altcoins. This means Bitcoin season could take off. Like, this was amazing. How crazy were the altcoins to trade, right? The top altcoins were very easy to trade. Now, if Bitcoin dominance works higher, it's going to help you time a Bitcoin move, right? If it trends higher, altcoins won't move as well. But it's been amazing. And it's going to happen again. And it's going to happen again. And we have a bull market coming, and we're going to make life-changing money, period. Now, this is FRM. And again, in group, you can see the rounded bottom, right? Rounded bottoms pay the bills, right? After the rounded bottom, this thing took off 200%. And so I really wanted to take some time and explain this market structure, because when you're looking at these coins and you're looking at holding these coins, you want to be holding the coins with the rounded bottoms, or where they're doing nothing forever. But this is 147 days where it did nothing, and then it completely exploded, right? Rio, you got these rounded bottoms, and it's already broken out, and so it's going to make some more moves. If Bitcoin pulls back and you get a pullback here, you get an entry level into this area, that's your best entry, right? Because it's just going to bounce and moon mission. Bitcoin dominance, again, this works against the altcoin. So be careful, watch Bitcoin dominance. Binance, and this is huge. It sounds bad, but it's huge. Binance faces a $4 billion penalty for criminal violations. They were investigated for money laundering, bank fraud, and sanctions and laws violations. And BNB started pumping immediately on this news. Why? Because it's a slap on the wrist. Give them $4 billion. And all the criminal charges go away and back to crypto. And Binance can resume operations and not have to worry about this stuff. That's one thing about these banks, that get caught with money laundering, these exchanges, they get caught up in, securities violations. Like, they pay the money and it just disappears. It goes away. It's gone. But amazing to share all these ideas with you guys on a daily basis. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your family and your friends about the channel. Group or no group, I'm going to help you guys make ridiculous amounts of money, period. I'll see you guys tomorrow.